This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable tasting spoons, specifically these Luxe wood tasting spoons. We have two options. The natural wood spoon, which is 3 3/4 inch in length, and then also the square natural wood spoon, which is 3 3/4 inch length as well. And you can see the square one features this kind of flat, almost shovel-like design to the spoon, whereas the original one features that nice little traditional spoon shape to it. They're both made of sustainable wood, making them a great alternative to plastic tasting spoons. They're ideal for offering samples of things like ice cream, sorbet, or gelato, or to use with things like mini appetizers and desserts. The smooth finish on these spoons helps keep them from splintering and makes them pleasant for your customers to use. They feature a natural color that adds a touch of rustic flair and warmth, making them great for use at catered events. They're both compostable and biodegradable, making them a perfect eco-friendly option for you to use as well. They're great for ice cream shops, food trucks, bakeries, caterers, or any gourmet food shop that's offering samples.